Welcome to today's video. I've been hiding something from you guys. When I got the downpipe installed and the speed and all the driving clips, the turbo was just blowing smoke, and I didn't even put that in the video. Throw some clips in real quick so you guys can see the smoke. Blowing smoke and it's not good. So I've had this bolt for actually a very long time. It's a Damon, I think, oil restrictor bolt. So we're gonna put this in today and we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference. I kind of doubt it, but we'll see. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get a new turbo ordered anyway. I'm probably gonna go with the Cork Sport turbo, and then we can just get this car ripping. So anyway, let's try and put this in. Okay, pop the hood. Oh, look at those new lenses, so good. By the way guys, the lenses are holding up great. No moistures inside, and so far they're perfect. So I'll keep my fingers crossed. I have not actually got them wet yet, so we will see, but the seal is really good. I did a bang up job on it. Okay, gonna get this intercooler popped off, which I popped off a million times now. And then I believe I just take the heat shielding off and pop the bolt out. Oh yeah. One thing I want to say is I truly love projects where you don't have to jack the car up. It's so nice. Okay, sockets, wrench. So stupid. Just like that, intercooler is off. Again, I apologize about the train. Let me know in the comments right now, pause the video, if you guys think this is gonna work or not. Right now, do it. Personally, I don't think it's gonna fix the whole issue, but I think it will help it significantly and it won't be as bad. Who knows, we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna take this heat shielding off and then we should just be able to get to the bolt right down there. It's super hot again, so as soon as the heat shield's off, I'm gonna let it cool down because I don't feel like it's a good idea. Hot oil touching a really hot manifold doesn't seem that smart. Okay, manifold is dummy hot, but that is the bolt that we are going to replace. So we're gonna definitely let this cool down for a good 20 to 30 minutes while I go do whatever I do. I'm just chilling in the Z right now and I'm thinking, man, I should just pull the trans out of here. Why not, right? But then that would ruin a perfectly good running car, so I'm not gonna do that. But if anyone has a CDO9 that they want to sell me, please hit me up on Instagram, Austin B. Burner. Needs to be 06 and up. Alright, hopefully it's cooled down enough. Still pretty warm. I'm just gonna send it though because I really want to get this bolt on and see if it actually makes a difference. So I'm gonna pop that one off. Probably make a giant mess. I don't know how much oil is gonna be in there, but whatever. And I should probably check the oil too, so. Come on, come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, there it is. Grab the new bolt, and I kinda wanna compare these things because I feel like this one's longer. Okay, let's compare these. By the way, look at this dummy organized toolbox, can't get over it. Okay, so this one is really short. This one's way bigger. That's interesting. Okay. The inner diameter is a little smaller on this one than this one, so who knows? I'm just gonna go throw it in and then we'll see. See if it works. Okay, both of the washers are on, and now the key is to not over torque this, because if you over torque it, it snaps off inside of the turbo, and then you're selling the car online. Bolt is in. Now I'm gonna rage through this, put it all back together, and then we'll go see if this actually works. By the way, I think I'm getting a lot better at working on speeds because I had this whole intercooler back on in like 3 or 4 minutes, which is sick. Okay, before I can go drive the speed, I have to knock brakes out on my dad's car real quick, so I'm gonna do that really quick and then we'll start this up and see if it smokes less. Okay, brakes are on hold for a minute. I can't leave though because I'm just running to grab the pads, so I'm gonna start the speed, make sure the oil isn't leaking out of the bolt because that would suck. And of course, there's another train. Oh, they always ruin my shots, always. No leaks. See, so it's kind of cold out, but I cannot tell if that is smoke. That's gotta be smoke. I don't know though. no way that's turbo smoke. That has to be condensation. If that's turbo smoke, RIP. I'm literally not gonna be able to drive this thing. Actually, I think it's condensation. Look how much water's in here. And I just revved it a little bit and it squirted like a good 4 or 5 feet. This is the squirt monster. I'm gonna name this car Squirt. I think that's the name of the speed, is Squirt. Speed is chillin', I can go driver. Just got done with the brake pad job. Took me a little longer than I expected. And I just want to show you guys how bad these pads are. Oh, look at this. This is the face of the pad. Oh my. That's the other side. They were bad, you should have heard them. Anyway, I got the GoPro and let's go see if this car still smokes. I don't know if it does. I'm assuming it does. Here we go. Everyone place their bets right now. What do you think? Smoke or no? Look at how foggy it is and it's only like 4 o'clock. It's so weird. It's snowing, but it's literally just fog. Hopefully that fog didn't affect the exhaust smoke at all. Hey, most important is GoPro there. Sure she is. My rear bumper is just covered in soot from this thing. Just spraying oil. All right, I haven't seen the footage at all, but we're gonna go ahead and head back and find out if this thing smoked. I guess technically you guys will know before me if it smoked, because I'm gonna, but if that makes sense. Anyway, let's go look at it. Oh my, this is so bumpy. I love the turbo spool. So sick. That's how close I am to losing it. Wow. Okay, so I've been watching this footage, which you guys already saw. And, you know, it's still pretty bad, but it's a huge difference. So the bolt definitely worked. I still think that I should get a new turbo. This may be an excuse to get a new turbo, but I don't know. I'm gonna look at turbos. I've been looking at the Cork Sport one. I think that might be the move. And also, if you guys want to recommend some turbos, please do, by the way. But what kind of car do you guys want to see on the channel besides the speed? We have the 240 obviously, but that won't be running here for another month. So it'd be cool to get something that you guys want to see. It can't be that expensive. I want it to be rear wheel drive, and if I get a new turbo for the speed, that's gonna put the speed down for probably a week or two, and I don't want that to happen. That would leave me contentless, so we really need to either figure out another vehicle on the channel or something like that, or do some crazy build with some like drift cart or something. I don't know. You guys let me know what cars you guys want to see. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here. I'm gonna keep the content coming, guys. Sick video coming very, very soon for Christmas. So it's gonna be a Christmas themed video, so stay tuned for that. And hope everyone enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram, Austin B. Burner. Peace out. By the way, if you're still here at the end of this video, I have a bunch of these keychains left over. I'm gonna sell them for $5 a piece, $2.99 shipping. So if anyone wants to buy them, please let me know. Shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll do buy one, get one free. So I just have a bunch of them, and I'm gonna do new stuff for 2020. So just trying to get rid of the old stuff. just finished editing this entire video, and I have to say, the bolt actually made a huge difference. So I definitely recommend the bolt, and I'm surprised it did what it did, but it's kind of a crazy difference.